538 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 5 10. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 3 times 6, which is getter, so 2 times. Write 2. 2 times 2 4, subtract 1, bring down this 3. 2 goes into 13 how many times? Look, 2 times 5 10, 2 times 6, just add 2 12, 2 times 7 14, but here we have 13, so we have to stop here. 6 times, 6 times 2 12, subtract 1, bring down this 8 18. 2 goes into 18 how many times? Look, 2 times 8, just add 2 16. 2 times 9, 16 plus 2 18. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. Write 9, 9 times 2 18. To subtract, you are getting 0. So since your remainder is 0, so we are done. 269 is our answer.